everyone, my name is Vartika. So, throughout my journey into finance, I have realized that private equity and venture capital have the ability to change the world. Yes, you heard it right. They literally have the ability to change the world. So, today I'll be sharing some of the key insights of their role into financial market. Now, let's just imagine that you have a very groundbreaking idea to change your visions into reality, but you do not have enough sources of funds to change your vision into reality. So, this is the time when private equity and venture capital come into the picture. Let's just understand this by an easy example of Airbnb back in the year 2009. Did you know that Airbnb tried to secure funds of $600,000 into seed funding from Sequoia Capital? Now, let me tell you, this was the time when Airbnb was literally struggling to survive in the market. But this alone investment into Airbnb has made Airbnb a household name when it comes to the travel industry. So, by this, we can understand that private equity and venture capital, they are not just the mere sources of fund, they are considered to be the lifeblood of an innovation which further helps startups to fuel their business and already established company to reach new heights by providing them funding, strategic advices and industry related advices. Without their support, all the innovations that we see around us, for example, the example that we discussed in Airbnb, would never have been possible. So let's just embrace their idea of investment into innovation, because Steve Jobs once said that innovation is the single most factor that differentiates a follower and a leader. I repeat, innovation is the single most factor that differentiates a follower and a leader. That's all on my end. Thank you.